principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. I am Ahmad Ali of class standard 2 in Paradise Public School. I want to say something about Muslim and